Hey, what's up guys, it's Phone Repair Guru. So iOS 15 beta just came out and it's still the developer version, so there's a lot of issues with it. But if you do want to get the early release and if you do want to get these features right now, there is a way to do that. I can't actually show you guys exactly how to do it, but I can show you the steps beyond downloading it. So there will be a link somewhere in the comments. Just go keep an eye out for it and you will find it, and click on that link and click on iOS 15 developer version beta and install it. Now, before you do this, just understand that there are risks involved. The developer beta still has a lot of problems, and basically we're the guinea pigs of this iOS version. So you have to make sure that you back up your device and seriously consider whether you want to do this or not, especially if this is a phone you use every day, because you might encounter boot loops or random restarts or a whole load of issues. So once you do the download, you're going to want to go to your settings and you're going to want to go to general, and you want to scroll down to profile. Click on the profile, iOS 15 beta software profile. You're going to want to click on that and you're going to want to click install. Now we're going to click install again and install. So it's going to ask you for a restart. We're going to want to hit that restart button. I actually did just fix this phone. If you guys want to check that video out, it's the one before this. If you guys are new to the channel, I fix phones, I make short videos, I make long videos, and I'm getting more into the software aspect of things. I've been jailbreaking since I was a kid, and I really love it. I'm going to make a second channel for that, but until I do so, I will still post here. So the phone restarted. I did change the screen, so it says important display message. We're going to go into settings, and we're going to go down, and we're going to find general. We're going to go to software update. Now we have the iOS 15 developer beta available. We're going to want to click download and install, and it is going to take quite a bit of time, probably around 3 hours, depending on how fast your internet is. So we're just going to wait for that, and then we're going to get it installed. While it is installing, I can't stress this enough, please make a backup. If you have important information on your phone and you want to go through with this developer beta, you have to make a backup. It's really important, because if you don't make a backup, if you get lazy and this falls through, then you lose all your data and it's just not a good time for you. So I don't want that for you. So make sure you go on iTunes, make a backup. If you don't know how to make a backup, you probably shouldn't be doing this at all. So I actually already have the beta on the phone that I'm recording with. So let's go over some of the key features of the new iOS version and why you would even want to do this in the first place. iOS 15 is really exciting. They're making huge changes to the software, better integration, and they're starting to use the LiDAR sensor, which I'm really excited for. If you have an iPhone 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max, you'll be able to use these features. There has not really been any practical use for it just yet in terms of Apple's actual software, but they're definitely going to make use of it with iOS 15. There's map updates, there's camera updates. The overall software just looks a lot cleaner, and I'm really excited to see exactly what features they have and what hidden features they have, because they're known to do that. So we're going to let this update and we'll be right back. So it's been around 2 hours and the phone is now ready to install iOS 15 beta. So we're just going to hit install now, and it's going to verify the update, reset a few times, and then we'll be blessed with iOS 15. And just like that, we have iOS 15 on our iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I'm not going to do any of this. Everything that was on your phone will stay on your phone, but there is a good chance that it'll boot loop. By the way, guys, I forgot to mention, this only works with iPhone 6s to the latest iPhone. Anything below that is not supported. But that is all for today, guys. I will make a video highlighting my favorite features of iOS 15, and from the get-go it doesn't look too different, but there are a lot of cool hidden features that you probably just don't know about yet. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video did help you if you are trying to get iOS 15, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.